In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI music with Manus AI, best general agent. And here to create the AI music, what you do now here is to type your prompt here on the search section. Make sure the prompt is perfectly typed, like describe how you want the music to be, like if it's vocal or non-vocal, which means if it's voice or non-voice. But if it's voice, this is how it will be. Let me type the prompt and then explain. Now, if his voice here, generate an emotional cinematic song with a powerful vocal. You can see the lyrics, how I describe what the AI voice will sing when the music is playing. Like you will see here on the lyrics, should be about destiny, overcoming struggle, and faith. Music should build slowly with piano and string into a big emotional climax. Movie soundtrack quality. Here you can see how I describe my prompt, the vocal one. If it's non-vocal, this is how it will be before I generate the vocal one. Now here you can see the non-vocal. Here you can see generate an Africa gospel instrumental with piano, drum, soft chorus pad, and traditional African rhythms. Mood should be joyful, spiritual, and uplifting, suitable for praises and worship. Here you can see here how I describe the non-vocal one. Here you can see the million trapum, non-vocal, live church atmosphere. You can see here how I describe the non-vocal prompt here, which you can try. You can see in the description section. Now here, after typing it here, now here let me type the vocal one here, because I want to generate the vocal one and show you how powerful this Manus AI tool is. Now here is the vocal prompt. After describing it, now send it by clicking this up arrow icon here, and then wait for it. As you can see, the Manus AI is thinking in order to give you the best vocal AI music here, and wait for it. This will take about some seconds in order to create it. You can see it is using AI music generator in order to give you the best result. And here is the result of the vocal one. Here, let me play it. Then click on this play icon here or tap on it like this. Wait for it. You can see.
In shadows deep where doubts reside, a whisper calls a truth to guide. Through trials faced and battles won, a journey starts beneath the sun. Oh, destiny, a guiding star, no matter how far, no matter how hard. With faith as shield and hope as light, we rise above and claim the fight. The path is long with thorns and strife, but in each fall we find new life, a spirit strong that will not bend until the very bitter end.
This is based on how I describe the music.
You can download it by clicking on this downloading icon here on the top side here, and also you can share it by clicking on this share 3-line icon on the side here to share it.
Now here, try it and tell me how it worked on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now, see you on the next video. Watch this playlist on the screen in order to know everything on Manus AI tool based on tutorial.